The South Korean government began bringing back home its citizens on first a non-scheduled flight from India. Over in that country, more than 300,000 new infections were reported for 13 straight days. The second wave of COVID-19 continues to ravage India amid a shortage of hospital beds and oxygen supply. Seong-woo has the latest.
172 South Koreans in India, including workers from Hyundai Motor Company, arrived at Incheon International Airport Tuesday morning on a special flight back home. They will stay in state-designated accommodation for 7 days and must test negative on the 6th day before being able to self-isolate at home. Another 211 nationals will return on Friday on a chartered flight by Asiana Airlines. And authorities plan to operate 10 more non-scheduled flights this month to evacuate as many South Koreans out of India as possible. At least 700 residents are still awaiting their turn.
Even if you apply for the flight, sometimes the date of departure doesn't come out right away, and boarding times are constantly changing, so a lot of South Korean residents are a little uneasy right now.
India reported 357,229 new COVID-19 cases on Tuesday, surpassing the 20 million mark in the total number of infections. According to the country's health ministry, the virus has also claimed 3,449 more lives, raising the death toll to over 220,000. Medical experts say actual numbers could be 5 to 10 times higher. Despite a shortage of beds and medical oxygen, new patients are pouring into hospitals throughout the nation, putting India's healthcare system on the brink of collapse. This has led the Indian government to desperately ask for emergency assistance from overseas. A U.S. Air Force aircraft carrying 545 oxygen concentrators arrived in New Delhi on Tuesday, with other nations also providing foreign aid. Reuters reports that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is reluctant to impose a national lockdown over fears of economic setbacks. Making India's situation worse are problems with vaccine supply and distribution. India is home to the world's biggest producer of vaccines, the Serum Institute, but less than 10% of its population of 1.35 billion has received at least a single dose. Seong-woo, Arirang News.